Oumuamua, the enigmatic interstellar object that captivated attention in late 2017 with its strange orbits, is once again grabbing headlines. This time, however, scientists are terrified. In a mere 2 weeks, Oumuamua is set to collide directly with Earth, an event that has never before been witnessed. What makes this cosmic occurrence particularly terrifying is not just the impending collision itself but the alarming fact that Oumuamua shows no signs of decelerating. Are we facing a potential disaster? Join us as we delve into scientists' urgent warning about Oumuamua's direct impact on our planet. When you hear the term alien probes, what comes to mind? Perhaps it conjures images from old sci-fi movies where extraterrestrial beings use strange instruments to examine humans. Or maybe you think of something like Oumuamua, a mysterious cigar-shaped object that zipped past our solar system a few years back in 2017. Scientists like Avi Loeb from Harvard University started discussing a different kind of probe, not the fictional kind but the real possibility of space probes sent from distant civilizations. These probes would be like the ones humans have sent out into space, such as Voyager and New Horizons. But the big question is, could Oumuamua be a similar probe just from a different planet? Avi Loeb, an expert in plasma physics, has even suggested that Oumuamua might have been an alien spacecraft. While that idea might sound far-fetched, it has scientists buzzing with excitement. However, there are huge challenges. First, the distances in space are mind-boggling. If aliens from the Andromeda Galaxy wanted to send a probe to Earth, it would have to travel an incredible 2.5 million light-years. That's 6 trillion miles per light-year. Then there's the question of time. How would they ensure their probe reaches us before their civilization collapses? But let's assume they solve those problems. They would still have to build a probe tough enough to withstand the harsh conditions of space, radiation, space debris, and more. It's like building something super strong and tough, like a material as hard as diamond but capable of taking a hit without breaking. Despite the challenges, Oumuamua's arrival in 2017 excited scientists. For decades they had been waiting for an interstellar visitor like it, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover that we're not alone in the universe after all. In 2017, Thomas Zurbuchen, NASA's Science Associate Administrator at the time, announced an innovative discovery: the confirmation of interstellar objects like Oumuamua. This revelation sparked immense interest among astronomers worldwide. Then, just 2 years later, in August 2019, another interstellar object, 2I/Borisov, was spotted. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov had the typical features of a comet, sporting a distinct tail and coma. This mysterious visitor offered astronomers a rare glimpse into other planetary systems beyond our own. Initially, Oumuamua appeared 10 times longer than it was wide, resembling a colossal cylinder. Later observations revealed it to have a flatter, pancake-like shape. Similar shapes have been observed in other objects in the Kuiper belt, suggesting a commonality in their formation. By studying Oumuamua's brightness as it moved through space, astronomers deduced its dimensions and shape. Interestingly, Oumuamua's journey is traced back to a possible close encounter with 4 stars, with the red dwarf star HIP 3757 being its closest pass. This revelation left astronomers wondering, did Oumuamua originate from there, or has it been drifting through space for millions of years, its origin shrouded in mystery? The solar system is like a bustling neighborhood, with planets, asteroids, and comets orbiting the sun in tight loops. But in 2017 something extraordinary happened. An unusual traveler entered our cosmic neighborhood, Oumuamua. Unlike the rest, its path wasn't a neat circle. Instead, it was hyperbolic, meaning it zoomed by the sun at blazing speed, barely affected by its gravity. It was like a cosmic bullet whizzing through space. Oumuamua's presence was first noticed on October 19, 2017, by astronomer Rob Warwick from the University of Hawaii. At that time, it was already 21 million miles away from Earth, and it came as close as 15 million miles before continuing its journey away from our solar system. This interstellar visitor was moving incredibly fast, reaching speeds of 54.2 kilometers per second after getting a boost from the sun's gravity. But catching a glimpse of Oumuamua was no easy task. It was tiny and moved rapidly, giving us only a few weeks to study it up close. Luckily, the Hubble Space Telescope and other powerful observatories managed to capture some stunning images, revealing Oumuamua as a mere speck against the vastness of space. As Oumuamua speeds away, heading towards the constellation Pegasus, it fades from our view, disappearing into the depths of the Kuiper belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy objects. Could it return? And what exactly was Oumuamua? Some speculate it might be an alien probe, while others think it's just a dead comet stripped of its gases over billions of years. One thing is for sure. Oumuamua's fleeting visit has left astronomers and space enthusiasts captivated, sparking debates and fueling our curiosity about the mysteries of the cosmos. Oumuamua's journey was not entirely straightforward. The Hubble Space Telescope noticed something peculiar as it moved away from the Sun, a non-gravitational acceleration. Typically, comets emit water vapor and dust, creating a tail that gives them an extra push, but Oumuamua didn't exhibit any signs of releasing water or other volatile substances commonly seen in comets. So what could Oumuamua be? Unlocking the mysteries of Oumuamua has led to some fascinating theories. One popular theory suggests it's a chunk of nitrogen ice. According to researchers Alan Jackson and Stephen Desch from Arizona State University, Oumuamua might be a fragment blown off a Pluto-like object by a massive impact. If the nitrogen ice had melted due to the sun's heat, it would have provided the extra boost needed. However, Oumuamua would have to be smaller than initially thought to appear as pale as it did. Another theory proposes that cosmic rays interacting with surface ice in interstellar space freed hydrogen gas trapped in water molecules, creating a supply of hydrogen gas. This theory, proposed by Darrell Seligman from Cornell University and Jennifer Bergner from Berkeley University, suggests that as Oumuamua was warmed by the sun, hydrogen escaped, altering the crystal structure of the ice and seemingly propelling it forward. Additionally, astronomers Avi Loeb and Shmuel Bialy from Harvard University have suggested an intriguing idea. Oumuamua could be a solar-powered spacecraft. According to them, the various peculiarities observed in this interstellar visitor could be explained by an artificial origin, hinting at the possibility of extraterrestrial technology at play. Oumuamua's path suggests it originated from outside our local solar system, yet its true size and shape remain a mystery. Since no detailed photograph could be captured, astronomers rely on its brightness and their knowledge of how asteroids and comets reflect light to estimate its size. Since no coma or tail was observed around Oumuamua, some scientists doubt the comet theory. Outgassing, a typical feature of comets, would also change Oumuamua's rotation period, which hasn't been observed. These scientists suggest that Oumuamua's apparent movement could result from the force that broke it free from its parent object, but repeated non-gravitational acceleration contradicts this.